There will be seasons in your life when you have no one cheering for you, no one clapping, no one checking on you, no texts, no calls, no applause, just you and the sound of your own breathing. And that's when most people quit. That's when most people say, maybe this dream wasn't meant for me. Maybe I was foolish to even try. But I want you to hear me. That season of being alone is not a curse. It is a gift. It is the universe, God, life itself, pulling you aside and saying, it's time. It's time to strip away the noise. It's time to find out who you really are. In that silence, you meet yourself. When the world gets quiet, you begin to hear the voice inside of you that's been drowned out for years. You stop living for likes, for comments, for applause, for approval, and you start living for purpose. Being alone is where the distractions die and the focus begins. It's where you stop asking, what do they think of me? And start asking, what do I think of me? What am I building? What legacy am I leaving? That is where real power is born. Every person who ever changed the world went through a season of isolation. Muhammad Ali, before he was the champ, trained in silence, throwing punches in empty gyms long before the cameras showed up. Steve Jobs, before he was the face of Apple, was fired, humiliated and forgotten, and in that exile, he rebuilt himself, came back, and changed technology forever. Oprah Winfrey, before she was a household name, was told she wasn't fit for TV. They said her voice didn't belong. And in that lonely season, she forged the strength that made her the queen of television. Even the greats of history. Nelson Mandela sat in a prison cell for 27 years, and in that isolation, he didn't break. He became stronger. He came out not bitter, but better. And he changed a nation. They all had one thing in common. They used loneliness as a weapon, not a weakness. They turned pain into preparation. They turned silence into strategy. And that's what most people never understand. Your best work is done in private. Your greatest strength is forged when no one is clapping. Your discipline grows in the dark. Your courage grows when you have no choice but to keep walking, even when nobody believes in you. Your faith grows when you have nothing left to hold on to except the vision in your heart. Being alone is not the end of your story. It is the beginning of your evolution. It is where you shed who you were and become who you are meant to be. Think about it. A seed grows in the dark before it breaks the soil. A diamond is formed under pressure before it shines. Even the caterpillar disappears into a cocoon before it becomes a butterfly. Isolation is not the end. It is transformation. So stop fearing solitude. Stop running from it. Sit with yourself. Listen to your own heart. Write down your goals. Pray. Meditate. Learn. Read. Study. Build. Plan. Work in silence. Become so dangerous in private that when you step back into the world, your very presence commands attention. Don't waste this season wishing it away. Don't numb the pain with distractions. Don't drown your thoughts with noise. Use this time. Build something so powerful that when the world finally sees it, they won't just be impressed. They'll be inspired. When you re-enter the world, let them see the work you've done. Let them feel the power you've built in silence. Let them realize that while they were distracted, you were busy becoming unstoppable. Don't just survive being alone. Thrive in it. Don't just wait for better days. Create them. Don't just hope for opportunities. Prepare for them so fiercely that when they arrive, you're already 3 steps ahead. Because when you come out of this season, you won't just be ready for the world. The world will have to get ready for you. Alone is not punishment. Alone is not weakness. Alone is not the end. Alone is your training ground. Alone is your transformation chamber. Alone is your superpower. And when you finally learn to use it, nothing will be able to stop you.